Hey boys and girls, today we're going to read 10 Turkeys in the Road by Brenda Reeves Sturgis and illustrated by David Slonim. This looks kind of funny. 10 turkeys blocked the road one hot and hazy day. A pickup screeched, a farmer beeped, one turkey flew away. 9 turkeys in the road caused a long delay. The farmer frowned and flashed his lights. One turkey flew away. 8 turkeys in the road, each holding out a tray. The farmer inched his truck ahead. One turkey flew away. 7 turkeys in the road, with cans of string to spray. The farmer shook his fist and yelled. One turkey flew away. 6 turkeys in the road, climbed high to swing and sway. The farmer banged and clanged his tools. One turkey flew away. 5 turkeys in the road declared, "We're here to stay." The farmer threw his old straw hat. One turkey flew away. 4 turkeys in the road shared a big bouquet. The farmer opened up his door. One turkey flew away. 3 turkeys in the road juggled bales of hay. The farmer jumped and pulled his hair. One turkey flew away. 2 turkeys in the road squawked, "Hip, hip, hooray!" The farmer pounded on his hood. One turkey flew away. 1 turkey in the road announced, "We've got to go." The turkeys snuck into the truck and called, "Come see the show." One farmer in the road hung his head and sighed. A car drove up. The driver asked, "Hey pal, you need a ride?" The tired farmer huffed and puffed, then squeezed into the car. The driver squealed, "Away we go, the circus isn't far." And there is the circus. The end.